Chicago, nigga.
Tried calling y'all by name, but shit, it wasn't.
What you say about me?
Nothing, man. Just talking shit.
You my name. In the street? My name is my name.
Alright, what's going on YouTube? I'm about to change up the wire on these lights. I want to be able to turn off all my headlights, fog lights, whatever, and still have these running, because this is bright, but I want to be able to turn that off so I can just have that playing. Y'all see how bright my fog lights and all that shit is hitting the street, and that's that fog lights. I gotta adjust this fog light. I think I probably gotta adjust both of them. This shit bright, super bright. So yeah, like I said, it's bright. So I'm got my test light. See which one of these I could use as a accessory, and I'm gonna wire it that way. Y'all stay tuned. I might snatch this headline out. You can see about the wife attitude. She always hate when I'm out here. So I'm going ahead and light up the stars. I'm gonna light up the flow. So y'all stay tuned. Alright YouTube. So what I did, well, I should have showed y'all, but I put a fuse in between that. I used, where we at? Accessory. I was going to use what it fits in there. It was one of these I was going to use also. Forgot. But I ended up using this one. I just put the wire, push the fuse down on top of it. Ain't nothing but speaker wire, because the speaker wire thicker than the actual wire that's running it. But I got a fuse, another fuse. It's under here, but I got it kind of taped up. So we got that. Should have showed y'all before. Taped everything up, but it is what it is. I am what I am. My bad. Alright, got that. This is actually what I was trying to do. Okay. Turn the key forward so the lights and stuff will come on, right? Lights and everything is on. They on. So what I'm saying, what I was trying to do was just saying, want all that on. Just, if I want to just sit in the dark, I wanted these to be able to come on, or stay on, rather. I might run a GMC sign right with it. Just say I'm waiting outside, waiting on somebody to come out the house, and I'm gonna cut the lights. But I am gonna run this to my alarm. So I ain't gonna do that tonight, but I am gonna do it. I still ain't even put the air horns in here, so yeah, that's all I was trying to do. So I want to step in the crib and try to ease my way back out. And actually, I can't. Well, yeah, try to ease my way back out. I still ain't put the side pieces on. I told you I'd be jumping from project to project. Got a whole bunch of projects up here. Projects over there I ain't even did. I mean, finished with the truck, actually. So I still got to send my 1 amp back I'm only running 115 at the moment, but it's still slamming, so it is what it is for the moment. New color probably be coming soon. I'm not sure yet because I got a lot of other things going on. But yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. Appreciate y'all. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Y'all share these videos on Facebook for your boy. Alright. And Instagram or whatever platform y'all on, man. Alright.